Hi everyone. So I've not been able to make videos for a long time, so I just thought I'll quickly make a video on parenting, which has been due for 2 weeks now. So this is something that I wanted to share because I am a person who gets irritated very fast when kids don't listen. So and especially when kids are naughty, uh, I get irritated and I shout at them. So, but I've learned and I've mellowed down a lot during these years, uh, especially after my kid was born. I have been again like I did get irritated, but now I see myself changed. I have mellowed down a lot, and that is only because I have understood that kids at this stage, my kid is 1.5 years old, 18 months, and kids who have started walking, they start exploring things by doing. They start understanding the cause and consequences of things. So it could be as simple as tearing a piece of paper, or opening the drawers and picking out things, or pulling out things from the kitchen countertop, throwing water here and there, or just throwing things everywhere. So many things that they do that we term as, okay, now he's becoming very naughty, very naughty, and very naughty. But actually, these kids are exploring and learning what happens when I do these things. So my kid had this habit of pulling out the hose of the washing machine, and he would just throw the water here and there, and I used to get really angry at him, and he wouldn't just listen. So one day I just stopped and I was just seeing and observing what he was doing, and he pulled out the hose and he's looking inside. Then he put the water here and there. Again he's looking inside. So I understood that basically he is looking and trying to understand from where this water is coming, what is happening, or how much water is coming, and all these things might be going on. And so every time he's doing that, he's actually learning and exploring what is happening. So we need to understand that kids at this phase, they are little explorers. They will do a lot of things in a repetitive way, which through which they learn and explore things. So we need to accept that fact that our children are not adults who understand what happens. They are children, they are kids who are growing and who are exploring and who are learning. So we need to let children be children. So it's not important that every time we scold them for doing something that we don't like. So for me, when he throws that water, it's an added work for me. So that is what irritates me, that now I'll have to clean up. So I need to put that aside and say that it's okay if I clean up. So I need to accept the fact that this is going to happen in a house where there is a kid. So I need to accept the fact that things are going to get wrong. I might have to pick up things more often than I was doing before. I might have cleaned up things more often than I was doing before. So I need to accept the fact that I have become a parent and I have a kid who is a little explorer. So accept kids as they are, and letting them be will help them to understand even emotions, because they are also observing what you are doing. So in this same example, when I scold him, the reaction that he's understanding is that okay, when this thing, what I am doing is bringing me this reaction, that my mother is shouting at me or scolding me. So in similar situations where he will be with another person as he grows up, he might also react in same way. But when I am reacting in a patient way, or I am just saying, okay, let's stop this now, or you see how the water has fallen, now we'll have to clean it up, and we clean it, and I ask him to clean it together. So I am teaching him patience here. I am teaching him that there is no need to shout, because this is simply just a very small thing. It's just water that has fallen down. So what are the values that you want to teach your kid? Keep that in mind whenever you are reacting to any situation that your kid is in. Of course, then there are dangerous things like he's picked up a knife or something, or he's standing at the edge of the chair and he has to learn that he shouldn't do that because he might fall. Those times we again need to explain that this is not the right thing, or we need to immediately take him out of the situation and deviate him into another task. So there are ways in which you will have to cater to the needs, because it's how kids are. Yeah. So happy parenting. God bless you all, and take care of yourself and your kid. Bye.